afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I'm going to be picking this Master Lock 100-year anniversary that I just got the other day. I should have done it right out of the package, but take my word, I didn't do it, but let's just say I did it, because I didn't do it out of the package. So we're going to see what it takes to get into this Master. Let me put it in the vise. The hardest thing about this thing is trying to get the cap off. You have to pry it off. So there we go there. Put it in my vise. Get it nice and tight. Okay. I'm using my Valley pick number 5. And I haven't picked a tension wrench now, but I'm sure it's going to be at least a 50,000. Let's see. I have a, excuse me a minute. This is a 1.2. Let's see if it'll work. 1.2. Does not fit. I need a 1.0. 1.0. Okay, that looks good. Don't have much room. Okay, there it is. That's why. All right, so let's get on with the pick. I got click out of 1, nice little bit moved there. Click out of 2, nice click out of 3. All right, that was a click out of 4. Back to the beginning. Okay, soft click, but it moved. 2. Same thing. Feels like a spool. 3. Okay, with a teeny bit of movement there. 4. Up, something dropped. Okay, I got 4. Come on, don't do this. Tension wrench is falling out. I think I might have lost it. One, 2. Good one. It has a double on 2. 3. 4. Back to beginning. I think there's only 4 pins in this lock. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha, baby. Hang on 1 second. This, I think, might be a dead core. Don't let go. Don't. God, you had to turn that thing. It is a dead core. But we got you, baby. Boy, that's hard. What a spring that's in there. Tough spring. All right. Let me get this out of the way. Keep that there. Move this. I need... Whoa. Allen, whatever you call these. Too big. Cool. Good on the second one. Okay, got that. Okay. Try to follow her. I need a teeny little shim, please, just to bridge that little gap. That should do it. Okay. Get this all out of the way. Move this down a little bit. Don't need this. I don't need this. Where's my follower? I'm going to use this follower. Turn it a quarter of the way, I think. Please don't mess up. What is wrong with me? I don't want to spin it, but I gotta go. Oh, I see. It's just on the other side there. And I locked it. 1 second. I think it goes that way. Now I leave the key in. I think you do it halfway. There you go. Okay. Pinning tray. Check this out. There's only 4 pins, but it's actually made for a 6-pin lock. So if I could find a big enough key, this is going to be changed. This anniversary lock is going to be a 6-pin lock if I can help it. But right now, 4 pins. Well, let's see what we have. 1, standard. 2 is a standard. Whoa, almost lost 3. I'm not going to have anything go wrong in this video. 3 and 4. Zoom, come on. Nothing done to the chambers. That is kind of strange that it's only got 4 pins in it, but no problem. That was easier pick for me than it was before. There's that shim. This is the front. Yeah. Tweezer. Yeah. Okay. Let me camera's slipping. Number 1. Don't know what's in these things, but I know one of them was a spool. It felt like. All right, number 1 just hit the floor. 1 second. Come on, man. I asked for nothing to go wrong in this video. Give me a second, please. Never a good video. I'm looking. How far could it have gone? Always falls into the 6th dimension. Oh, it was a spool. really, 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 really sorry. There it is. Spool. Please let that be the worst. A steel spring. Most of my video time takes up on my mistakes. Here we go. Second one, it was a spool. Springs are all going to be the same. I'm not that worried about it. But you guys need to see. All right. One spring just moved. I'm not worried about it. Number 3. Well, it's in there. They're all spools so far. I wouldn't be surprised. Last one, but not least. All spools. Imagine that. Not the right follower to use. Square one is not going to work. I'm going to leave the rest of the springs in. Ah, hell with it. 4 springs. Never mind. I'm not even going to tell you what just happened. Not going through it. I just refuse. And drop the spring. Zoom. Zoom. Come on. Manually. There we go. This is what we got. This was a bidding on the key. I don't know if I showed you. Not bad bidding at all. Nice little master lock. Great anniversary lock. All spools on the top. Get a couple upside down here. Just not bad at all. What can I say? That's what I got. That's what they did. There's no work on the cord. There's no work on the Bible. But there is room to add more pins. So guess what? Thumper's going to do it. Thank you for watching for Stocklock Sunday 100-year anniversary master lock. Congratulations for being around that long. I'm not that hip on master locks. I wasn't that hip on master locks, but you know what? Master lock, I'm starting to like you. Your bidding, your cores are crap, but what can I say? I like you. I'm starting to like you. No disrespect to you anymore. I won't say junk master or anything. All right, guys. Thank you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Camera's falling. Thank you for watching another adventure episode video of Thumper's Lock Picking. Hit that like and subscribe button. I don't know why the entire world doesn't watch me, but that's okay. What I got is a lot of great subscribers, sorry. I appreciate every one of you guys. I wish I can give you one of my locks, each of you. But just wait, my 600 giveaway is coming up, and I hope the best for all of you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.